Hello guys, I'm Riyan and you're watching Learn Online with Riyan. So we are reviewing this course how to use your PC in a better way. So this is lesson 3 and in this lesson we will study how to use a pen drive as an additional RAM. Before that, if you haven't seen our previous lessons, you can see it by just clicking the I button above. Okay, so first of all, why do we need an additional RAM? So for example, we need to run a software which has minimum system requirements of 3 GB RAM and you have a PC of 2 GB RAM. If you run the software, then software would be laggish and your system would slow down too much and even maybe the software won't run. So for that you use an additional RAM. So basically you can't afford going to a shop and buying a new RAM and changing your RAM hardwarely. So you want some trick or tips by you can run it. So this is the tip. You have to need a pen drive and you can use it as an additional RAM. So we will see step by step procedure and I will do it. So first of all, you could see some steps here. So let's look at it. So here first step is insert the pen drive to your laptop. So you have to insert the pen drive and open this PC on my computer and then right click on removable disk and click on properties. Let's do it. So okay, I have minimized the screen and we have to open this PC and here you could see removable disk F, right click and here you could see properties. Okay, click on properties and a dialog box like this opens up and here you have to click on ready boost and there's some calculation process going on and basically here it is saying don't use this device and you can say dedicate this device to ready boost, but I prefer use this devices and then here you can submit how much. So 4094 MB means 4 GB RAM. So you can click on apply and then click on OK. So here you could see 3.60 GB is occupied. If you open here you could see ready boost F cake. So basically this is nothing but just the RAM. So basically now you don't want your pen drive to be used as a RAM. You have to click on right click, go to properties, ready boost and don't use this device and just click on apply and click on OK. So here you could say again it's totally empty pen drive. So I suggest you to use this process. This is a very useful and very easy process. You can do it. Let's return back to our screen. Okay, you could see our notes for today. Step 6, click on use this device, click on apply, click on OK. Now your pen drive and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends so they can enjoy more tricks. Bye bye guys.